In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to output a variable inside a string. Let me show you how to do it. I will go to the Code Lobster PHP edition, which is my favorite IDE for PHP development, but you can use any of the open source like Notepad++ or anything else to create your own PHP file. I'll create a PHP file, and as you can see, the PHP start and end tags are already located in here, and I want to include a function or a statement where I can output a variable inside a string. So how do I do that? So let us say I want to output a string which gets some value from some other code, and I want to say that this is a string in between another. I want to place this string inside another string. So let's say I have a string _1 equal to this is before the string and this is after the string. Now how do I add this string, this variable, which is included, which has this value right here? One way to do is to go ahead and break it up like this and say echo, which is how do you echo this string to the browser, and you write, let me copy it from here, put a dot after here and say .str dot, and then copy the remaining string, close them in the tags, put a semicolon in the end. Let us save this file, call it string.php, and let us run this. So I have this file located in the localhost and then PHP test folder, and then I have the name of the file as string.php. So as you can see, that variable has been replaced by the actual value. And this is a nice way to do things. There's a much better way to add this variable inside the string. To do that, you have to remember that the opening and closing of the string should be a double quote, not a single quote, because if it is a single quote, the solution that I'm going to tell you is not going to work. So I will just keep it like this, string _1, as this is before the string, and just after that I'm going to add $str in curly brace, and then I'll put this line here and close it with the double quote. I will remove this echo and instead echo the str_1, and let us see what happens after this. I'll just refresh this. So you can see, to make sure that it is actually happening, I will change this to something else. Okay, save it and go to the browser window once again. See here. So it's very simple to do this. Just open a curly brace, write your variable here, which should be a string, and close the curly brace, and don't forget to use the double quotes, otherwise it might not work. Thank you.